Welcome to the Avon Medical Centre guide on how to create a patient access account and link it to your GP file, enabling you to order your repeat medications online. This guide is for over 16s only. Patients under 16 are required to contact the practice on 01698 552 930. Please note that the patient details used in this tutorial are entirely fictional. On the website www.PatientAccess.com, you can create an account with the Register button, found in the top right corner and highlighted in blue on this screen. Please pause the video and follow the steps to create your personal account and verify your email address. Please note that each patient account requires a different email address. Once you have verified your email address by following the link sent to your email, you should see this screen, allowing you to start the next step of linking your patient account to the GP practice. Prior to this, you will require a print-off of a PIN number which you can obtain by bringing photographic ID to the front desk in the practice. It is not possible for someone else to collect your PIN number due to data protection regulations. On this screen, after you've started the linking process, please click on the red link which, on screen, has been outlined with a black box. As our practice is not located in England, the postcode address search will not work. The screen following this requires the PIN numbers mentioned earlier. If you have entered the numbers correctly, this screen telling you that the account has been linked will show. Click Done and your account should load up. Once the account has been loaded, this screen with the tabs shown on the left should be seen. If you do not see the tab list on the left as shown here, please reload the page. If you have reloaded the page and it still does not show the tabs, log out of your account, which can be achieved by clicking on your name in the top right corner, and log back in. If problems persist, please contact the GP practice. To order your medication, press the Repeat Medication tab, which should load up this screen. Press New Medication Order. After pressing New Medication Order, you should be able to view your repeat medication list and tick the medications you require. Once you have selected all the medications you require, press the Request Medication button. If you require medications which are not on your repeat list, these can be requested in the following screen in the Message for Your Practice box. These medications will be added to the Acute Medication Request list. Please allow additional time for this to be processed. If possible, please also put your requested pharmacy in this box to ensure the prescription is sent to the correct pharmacy.